It really is a matter of economics. These right here, having a hard time getting them right now. They cost about $5 each. This right here, to fill, costs about somewhere between 10 and 15, depending on where they're at. This right here is a connector. You can connect this to that and fill this up with what's in here. This right here holds 20 of these. In other words, there's $100 worth of this in here. But you don't pay that. You pay about $15 tops. I know I paid somewhere around 12, I believe. And I'm going to show you how to make the exchange. Safety first. You want to make sure this is off. Then you take this connector and you screw it in. Now you'll be screwing it counterclockwise. Then take a wrench, tighten it, but don't kill it. This is brass. Then you take this and just thread it onto that. Now that threads correctly. Then just to make sure you don't have any leaks, go ahead and turn it on and listen. I didn't hear nothing leaking. So all you got to do then is turn this on and you'll hear it transfer into there. I don't open it all the way because I don't know what kind of pressure to handle or if that's even an issue. But I go ahead and I do that. And I do it until I don't hear anything else. Okay, I'm at that point. I just cut it off. It's full. All I got to do, now just to let you know, there's back pressure in here. Even though this is off, there's a little bit of pressure in here. So when you unscrew it, you're going to hear it. Okay, I'm sure you heard that. Anyway, and you'll smell a little bit of propane. That's all there is to it. Save a ton of money.
Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.
And when you subscribe, there'll be a bell that'll show up on the right-hand side of the screen. Hit that and you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you.